Don't do it to me. Oh no no. Oh no no. Don't do it to me. Oh no no. Oh no no. Don't do it to me. Oh no no. Oh no no. Don't do it to me. Oh no no. Oh no no.
Today I'll teach you how to solve the area and circumference of a circle. But before we start off, you will need to know exactly what circumference is. So what is circumference? Well, circumference is the distance around a circle. In order to measure the circumference, you'll need to know two terms: radius and diameter. The diameter is the length of the line through the center of a circle, while a radius is half of that. So in this picture, this is how most diameters look. It can either be vertically down like shown in the picture, or horizontally across the circle, while the radius is half of that line, and it stops at the center of the circle. And this also can be vertically like in the picture, or horizontally. Now you need to know the two formulas. Circumference is C meaning the circumference, equals pi d. The pi is always going to be 3/14. So to break it down into easier terms, 3 and 1400ths and multiplied, since it's any two things that are together, multiplied by the diameter of the problem. So let's show you a practice problem. Little Caesars offers 3 sizes of pizza. The small, medium, large have diameter of 8, 10, and 12. Find the circumference of the pizza. So I'm only going to do the small, which is 8. So first we're going to do C equals 3.14 multiplied by 8, since that's the diameter. Then we're just going to solve what it is. So you can do that real quick. 3.14 times 8, and you will get 25.12. You always need to make sure that in a problem, if they tell you to round, you round. And if it's by the nearest tenths or hundredths, you do it by that. The formula for the area is area equals pi r squared, which is an exponent. Now, let's do a practice problem for this. The diameter of a circle is 12. Find the area. Now you would do area equals 3.14 multiplied by the radius of the diameter, and the radius is half of the diameter, so we'll do 12 divided by 2, and it's 6. But then it's squared, and that's going to square. When you square it, you multiply it by itself, so it's 6 times 6, and that's 36. And from there, you just really solve. And the answer is equals 113.04. I hope you guys really learned from this tutorial, and that it helped you. And actually, a side note, when it gives you half of a circle, you find the final answer of this and divide it by 2, and that rule applies with circumference too. You find the final answer, you get So like how we did 3.14 times 8 times, yeah, and it equals 25.12. You divide that by 2. Back to what I was saying. I really hope you guys will learn from this tutorial and I hope it helps you guys understand it better for the certainty. Good luck.
I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In a torn up town, no postcode envy, but every song's like gold teeth, grey goose dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm? 'Cause what's your mind? There's no going back.